Good morning children. Welcome to your computer session, and today we are going to do the copy work of chapter number 2, as we have already finished with the reading and the book work of the same chapter. Okay. So children, we will start with the copy work. Okay, and you are required to take out your copies as well as all the stationery that you require for doing your work. Okay, and you have to quickly draw the red margins and you have to start writing as I write along. Okay, so children, to begin with, we will start with writing the date in the corner, then the chapter number, then the chapter name, hardwares and softwares. At this corner, top corner, we will write in the very first line classwork, and without leaving a line, we will write answer the following questions. Okay, children, you have to draw the red margin on the line where you have written hardwares and software. That is your second line. So answer the following questions. Question number 1. What is the computer hardware? Write its types. So you have to write what is the computer hardware. First you have to explain, then you have to write the parts of the computer hardware. Okay. So the answer says the physical part of the computer that can be touched. So hardwares क्या होते हैं? वो पार्ट्स कंप्यूटर के जिनको हम टच कर सकते हैं. So they are the physical parts, and these physical parts are known as the computer hardwares. So computer hardwares were of 3 types we studied: input devices, processing devices and output devices. Okay, so this is your question number 1. Now we will move to question number 2. Now children, the second question says, what is the computer software? Give 2 examples. So first you have to explain what is the computer software, what is the role of a software, and then you have to give 2 examples of computer software. So software is a set of programs. कंप्यूटर सॉफ्टवेयर क्या होता है? एक सेट ऑफ प्रोग्राम्स, मतलब बहुत सारे प्रोग्राम्स का एक सेट, एक पूरा कॉम्बिनेशन. प्रोग्राम्स दैट टेल्स द हार्डवेयर what to do, because while reading the chapter we studied ना that icons, the software जो present होते हैं कंप्यूटर पे, वो बताते हैं हार्डवेयर्स को what applications they have to use and by which device they have to process the data and by which device they have to output the result. So software is a set of big programs, the set of applications that help the hardware to know that what they have to do. So they tell the hardware what work they have to do. So these can be seen on the computer in the form of icons. So हम किस फॉर्म में सॉफ्टवेयर को देख सकते हैं कंप्यूटर पे? We can see the software on the computer in the form of small icons present on the computer screen. तो मॉनिटर पे जो भी आइकन्स प्रेजेंट होते हैं वो सब क्या होते हैं? दे आर द सॉफ्टवेयर्स. ओके, नाउ एग्जाम्पल media player and Mozilla Firefox. So in media player we play all the videos, audios. Okay, जो भी आपको साउंड सुनना है, सॉन्ग सुनना है, you can do in media player. You have to watch a movie, you can do in media player. So this is a set of applications जो आपको सॉन्ग सुनने में और मूवीज देखने में हेल्प करता है. So this is the सॉफ्टवेयर. और किसके थ्रू आपको वॉइस आएगी? दैट इज द स्पीकर्स या हेडफोन्स. तो दे आर द हार्डवेयर्स. ओके, एंड Mozilla Firefox, this is an browser, an internet browser that helps me to know whatever information I want from the computer. I want to know if I want, it is the same way as Google works. अगर हम गूगल पे कुछ सर्च करते हैं तो गूगल हमें बहुत सारे रिजल्ट्स देता है. तो सेम वे इज Mozilla Firefox. If you want to search anything, if you want to open anything on the internet, you can do it with the help of Mozilla Firefox. Okay, now after this you will draw a red line Then you will move to question number 3, the last question of the chapter. This is your third and the last question of the chapter, which asks you briefly explain the types of software. So you have to tell how many types of softwares are there and what are the meaning or what are the uses of those softwares. So in the first type, there are two types of software. So there are two types of software. We have studied the application software and the system software. So first is the application software. So they help us to perform a specific task on the computer. For example, I gave you the example of calculator. I gave you the example of MS Word. If we have to do any calculation, we require the calculator wala application in our computer. If we want to type anything, we should have MS Word in our computer. If we want to draw and paint, we should have MS Paint in our computer. So these applications help us to perform a specific job or a specific task on the computer. For example, this EG stands for example. Example, MS Word, in which we type, and MS Paint, in which we draw and color. Then is ETC, that is etc. Means there are many other, but we have given only two examples. So this etc. stands for there are many other types of application softwares. Okay. Now the next type is system software. We studied what is a system software. System software is the program that controls and manages all the functions of a computer, as well as it manages the application software. So this software controls and manages the computer and other application software. So all the application softwares that are installed in your computer will be controlled and managed by whom? It will be managed by system software. Okay. Examples of system software are Windows XP and Windows 7. As I told you, there are Windows 8, Windows 9, Windows 10. So there are many other. So I have written etc. over here also. Okay children, so with this you will end your copy work. We have these 3 questions to do in the copies and you are required to do the same properly in a neat handwriting, drawing the red margins everywhere you see on the board. You have to draw below the application as well as the system software to highlight these words. Okay children. So this was all for today. We shall meet in the next session. Till then, bye-bye. Have a good day and stay healthy and eat healthy. Bye-bye.